is famous landmark at Kandalin and यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा डेकोरेशन किया हुआ है. Let's go and check it out.
Wow, here they have done beautiful decoration of Christmas and lot of people have come here to see it, click pictures and enjoy the Christmas vibes here. Look at this is so amazing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Priyanka Exploring. So right now I'm going towards Kalangut Beach. Today is Merry Christmas to Merry Christmas all of you. And I'm going to check out the condition out there, how people are celebrating Christmas there. So that's what I'm going to shoot in this video. So please stick around and watch this video till the end. अभी मैं ट्रैफिक से होते हुए जा रही हूँ, बहुत ट्रैफिक है यहाँ पर. So this is the road and traffic condition in Goa right now. इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक नहीं है एज कम्पेयर टू द सीजन टाइम, क्योंकि सीजन टाइम में बहुत रोड पैक्ड हो जाती है, यहाँ पर बहुत जैम हो जाता है. इस बार बहुत कम है, इट्स नॉट दैट मच ट्रैफिक. दैट्स द होटल. ये नोवोटेल है. They have also decorated this from outside.
This is main road Kandalim which connects to Kalangut, Baga and so on. Through this video, I'm trying to give you a virtual tour of this famous area. This lane has ample of hotels, restaurants, market and whatnot. Let me tell you, this is evening time around 5:30 p.m. 25th December 2021 and I'm chasing sunset and going towards Kalangut Beach. So come with me and let's check it out.
Going to be new hotel coming up soon, I guess.
Market is open to shop around. You may buy clothes and any necessary item you need for your trip. Let me tell you, I don't shop much as I am practicing minimalism. I prefer to buy only when I really need it. I have stopped impulsive buying and this is what I recommend to all. Roads are being rectified in Goa because there are elections coming up in February month, but still there are few interior streets not done yet. So please drive carefully here. Again, jam. There's a bottleneck here. It's a very narrow lane, so it's better to hire a bike when you are in Goa.
So this is the beach entrance. I am entering to the beach. This is Kalangut Beach. तो मैं main entrance से नहीं जा रही हूँ. There is other narrow path which goes towards Kalangut. I'm going from there. And sunset भी हो रहा है. You can see. So these are the shacks out here. Lot of people. So they have music. So people are clicking pictures, having beer, chilling, enjoying. सो ये है बीच के नज़ारे, कालंगुट बीच के नज़ारे राइट नाउ. बहुत रश है यार, टू मच. windy out here. Please let me know in the comment box, how do you find this beach? Sun is setting out there. I don't know whether my camera is able to capture it. Water sports ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहे हैं. Water sports are not happening right now. There are so many shacks over there. You can go and have food and enjoy there. काफी chairs, sunbeds भी हैं वहाँ पर, but a lot of people are sitting here on the sand. Because when you are sitting on the chairs and sunbeds, either you have to pay for the bed or you have to buy something to eat. Otherwise, they don't allow you to sit on the bed or chair.
So this is the night time. You can see the lighting is so beautiful here. They have decorated this entire area very beautifully.
Such a nice decoration people have done here on the shacks, you can see. And good music. बिल्कुल crowd नहीं है, खाली है बिल्कुल. See around. Sun is already set. Wow, I love it. There's a Christmas tree there. Christmas tree, बस lights वाला Christmas tree है. This is the park, Kalangut, Goa. And those shacks you see. No crowd here at all. I'm surprised.
So this is the conditions on the beach right now here in Kalangut beach. This is the main beach of Goa, the most famous beach of Goa, and weather is also very pleasant. ज़्यादा सर्दी भी नहीं है, गर्मी भी नहीं है. So this is it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. See you soon in my next vlog. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी कर दो प्लीज़. It motivates me to show you more of Goa. Share my videos with your friends. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment box. Take care. Bye bye.
सीजन आया है, ट्रैफिक लाया है.
I could not resist myself to stop by here again. Look at the lighting, so beautifully done. Festivals are the integral part of our lives. I also stopped by at Mr. Pierce's residence and shot some clip of their Christmas crib made with passion and love.
So this is the well. This is the village. They have depicted the village of Jesus, where he is being born out there. You can see. So this is how it is. Beautifully decorated.
At last, Merry Christmas to all from Goa.